How to change font size on mobile view in Wix Studio. So in order to change that font size, you need to head over first to the Wix Video or Wix Studio Editor. Now, from in there, on default, you will be redirected to the actual desktop option, which is your primary layout. In this case, just head over and click onto this icon in order to change into the mobile layout. Do take note that if you resize some fonts right here or some text, they will not be reflected to their primary desktop because they have that the same options. For example, right here, let's choose in here this particular text. So make sure to select it right here and then click onto this inspector icon in order to open it. And then on this part, you can actually click onto this edit text as well in order to open this particular option. So I'm just showing you in here two ways to do this. So as you can see, the font size right now is 12. Let's input right here 11, for example, and then it will resize to that particular font size, and you should be able to see it reflected all together as well. So that's how you change font size on mobile view in Big Studio. Hope we helped.